This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad. On Tuesday, August 12th, the market is still open. It's 3:30 as I'm recording this right now. The Dow is up 450 points. The NASDAQ is up 277 points, and the S&P is up 67, all over 1% for the session. I don't think much is going to change in the last half hour, so let's jump right into today's session. On the NYSE, we had 1,103 new highs versus 158 new lows, 77% advanced versus 20% declined, 33% below the 50, and 38% below the 200-day moving average. Looking at the Mag 7, mostly green, no, all green. So clear skies on low volumes. I'll kind of peel the onion on some of the reasoning why. But every sector is also green today. Ignorance is bliss. This morning, the CPI number or data sets came out, and basically it was less than expected, the rate of inflation. So the inflation rate isn't that bad, is how the data was interpreted. There's also some underlying thought process that the Fed will be forced to cut rates because of some pending investigation into Jerome Powell and how he has handled the Federal Reserve renovations, trying to put some personal pressure there. PPI data comes out on Thursday, and Friday you have the important Putin and Trump meeting in Alaska. So to sum this up, we made new highs on the S&P and the NQ. Inflation isn't as bad as everyone thought, which is complete BS. And the AI and gold trade are still working great. Profitable companies making new highs on the NASDAQ today. There were 26. Many names are familiar faces on this list, like Palantir, Robinhood, Meta, Broadcom, eBay, and a recent addition is Gilead. So going back to the CPI report, I'm not picking on CNN, but I'm just choosing the most popular YouTube video I could find on it. But their headline was, U.S. inflation didn't rise as much as expected in July despite the tariff rollout. I'll put a screenshot. I'm not going to link the video. And then I'll do another screenshot of the first initial comments from YouTube community. They're all skeptical, right? Everyone knows inflation is raging, but it doesn't matter because Wall Street doesn't trade on real data. It trades on fake data. But some of these comments are, straight to the point, probably because numbers are cooked. We don't believe you. The numbers are cooked. I don't believe a word. Can't trust these stats again. A bag of groceries 5 years ago was 70, and now it's 170. Lies. How am I getting less groceries for more money now? Everything is more expensive. Stop lying. So no one believes this. Only Wall Street participants are trading off of this fake news. And to top this all off, some of these consumer discretionary names like Winnebago, they sell those RVs that you can either tow or those big bus RVs that actually have its own engine for hundreds and thousands of dollars. They're up 6 3/4% today.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not your advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.